Now we will see in detail the what is primary beam and the secondary beam. Okay, this is our model here. Okay, as we have seen here, we have modeled here also. So basically we will see what is it. Just I will zoom in, and this is the primary beam and the secondary beam. The primary beam is the main load bearing beam in a structure that directly transfer load to the slab, and the secondary beam means the primary beam is the main load bearing beam in a structure that directly transfer load to the slab. Okay, and the secondary beam is the beam to the column to the foundation. Secondary beam to the column to or the foundation means what is it? Primary beam is the main load bearing beam in the structure that directly transfer load to the from the slab, and the secondary beam to the column and the foundation. Okay, that is the total primary beam. And the secondary beam on the other hand are the supporting beam that transfer the load from the slab to the primary beams but not directly raised to the columns. Okay, means this secondary beam will transfer the load to the this primary beam. Okay, here you can see in this picture that these are some columns, this is the footing level, and these are the beams. The main beams which are been passing from column to column are the primary beams or the main beams, and the one which are in present here in the middle which are been in the form of the been transferred from beam to beam, that is the they are called as the secondary beams. Okay, all this concept it has been seen like this. And what's the key difference between them? Primary beam transfer loads from the slab, and the secondary beams to the column. Primary beam, that is transfer load from slab, and secondary beam to column. Means so what this primary beam do, that it will take the slab and the primary beam load and it will transfer it to the columns. Okay, larger in size and stronger than the secondary beams. This primary beams are larger in size, means they are big, and they are stronger. Okay, stronger than the secondary beams. These secondary beams are very small. Okay, they're directly supported by the columns. This secondary beams, primary beams are directly supported by the columns. Now for the secondary beams, transfer load from the slab to the primary beam. Whatever the load is coming from the slab over this beam, that is being transferred to this main primary beam. Okay, the smaller in size compared to the primary beam, as we have seen that it is a smaller in size than the primary beam, supported by the primary beams, not columns. It is being supported by the primary beams. This is not being supported by the columns. It is the main difference between this primary beams and the secondary beams. I think that all the concept of this primary beam and the secondary beam has been completed. Okay, now we will see the further detail of it, how to release the moment and all that. So you can see that this is been seen, and one more thing, if this beam is been present here with the column present here, and then also it is in the form of the secondary beam. Okay, if it is passing from a column to a primary beam, it is a secondary beam. Okay, like this way here, this is the secondary beams. Okay, now we will be seeing further part